In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings on Calendly, ensuring that you can navigate and utilize the platform in the language you're most comfortable with, whether it's for personal use or making your scheduling page more accessible to international clients. Adjusting the language on Calendly is a straightforward process. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, let's head over to Calendly's official website. You can find it by typing calendly.com into your browser's search bar. Once the homepage loads, you'll notice a login option prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. Click on that to proceed. Next up, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Calendly account. If you usually use Google to sign in, then you'll find the Continue with Google option very handy. Click on it and you'll be redirected to select the Google account you wish to use. It's important here to choose the account associated with your Calendly account to avoid any login hiccups. After you've selected the correct Google account, you'll be asked to authorize Calendly to access your Google account. This step is essential for Calendly to synchronize with your calendar, ensuring a seamless scheduling experience. Go ahead and click Continue to give the necessary permissions. Now that you're successfully logged in, let's navigate to where you can change the language settings. Start by going to the main dashboard of Calendly. You can do this by clicking on the Calendly logo or your name at the top corner, which will bring down a drop-down menu. In that menu, you'll want to direct your attention towards the Profile section located at the top right-hand corner. Clicking here will lead you into your personal profile settings, where you can customize various aspects of your Calendly account. Once in your profile settings, look for the language option. Calendly sets English as the default language, but by clicking on the language selection, you open up a list of supported languages. Browse through the list and select the language you're most comfortable with. It's a simple click to select action, so once you've clicked on your desired language, the changes will save automatically. And just like that, you've successfully changed the language settings on your Calendly account. It's worth noting that this change will affect how you see Calendly's interface, making it easier for you to manage your scheduling page, even if English isn't your first language. A couple of tips to keep in mind. Changing the language on your Calendly account doesn't alter the language settings for your clients or invitees. They will view your Calendly page in the language set by their own browser preferences, ensuring a personalized experience for each user. Lastly, remember that whenever you need to adjust your settings or explore more customization options, Calendly's user-friendly design makes it easy to tweak things to your liking. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide on how to change the language on your Calendly account. Whether you're doing this to make it easier for yourself or to accommodate the linguistic preferences of clients across the globe, the process is quick and hassle-free. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. For more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your Calendly account, be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more videos. Happy scheduling!